back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to do a crepe Suzette.
Who's Suzette?
Tonight it's crepe Suzette. Here's all the fixins. Let's add it. Crepe batter. 3/4 of a cup of pastry flour, 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1.5 cups of milk, 2 eggs, tablespoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of unsalted softened butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix thoroughly and then cover it and put it aside. Okay, candied oranges. Slice those puppies up 1/4 inch thick. The trick is to take the bitterness out. You boil it for 2 minutes, rinse it out, and throw it in the fridge. Sugar water, boiling. Throw in the oranges. Check your temperatures. Of course, I live at a high altitude, so it's not that fun. Anyways, add sugar and let it evaporate. And after 40 minutes, you can see it's mostly evaporated. We have translucent edges, and then now it's ready to put on the parchment paper. Of course, it's going to take a few crepes to get the pan to the proper temperature where you're going to love it. Okay, first one, kind of meh. Second one, a little better. And then, of course, the third one, completely ideal. Check this out. Exactly. Of course I made ganache. What are you, crazy? It's me. Chocolate. Anyways, look at those beautiful pinwheels dipped in chocolate. And then you want to change, diapers and get the candy off because you want to rotate that stuff until it's perfectly dried, which will be tomorrow. Anyways, dress up your plates and get them ready to go because the sauce is everything. Everything has to be done before you put the sauce on. Hot pan, butter, and then juice in your oranges and lemons. And I'm going to be using maple syrup as my sugar. And then, of course, let it get really hot. And then we're going to add the Grand Marnier and light a match. And here's your beautiful orange and lemon sauce. You can't really see the flames. Here, let me fix that for you. Oh yeah, there we go. Infrared works every time. Folded crepes with yogurt and chocolate-covered pinwheels? Or just rolled up traditional with ice cream? Crepe Suzette with yogurt and coffee? Or perhaps with ice cream and cognac? You decide. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.